Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Eduardo, and today we are starting a series of videos solving math and physics problems from the IB curriculum. In today's video, we'll be solving quadratic equations. Let's start by solving the equation 4x² plus 7x equals 0. This is a quadratic equation because the highest exponent of x is 2. I will be solving this equation by the factorization method. First, we need to factor out the common term. Look at the terms 4x² and 7x. What do they have in common? The common factor is x. So we factor out the common factor x from the equation 4x² plus 7x equal x, and now divide each term of the equation by x. 4x² divided by x is equal to 4x. And 7x divided by x is equal to 7. This gives us the factored form of the equation 4x² plus 7x equals 0. Next, we'll apply the null factor law. This property states that if the product of two factors is 0, at least one of the factors must be 0. So, we set each factor equal to 0 and solve. The first factor is x equals to 0, and look that this one is already one of the solutions of the equation, and the second factor is 4x plus 7 equals to 0. And then now we have to solve this linear equation. We can solve this linear equation following these steps. 4x equals minus 7, x equals minus 7 over 4. This one is the second solution for the equation. Then we found our solutions. The solutions for the equation 4x² plus 7x equals 0 are x1 equals 0, and x2 equals minus 7/4. Now, let's take a look at another equation, 3x² minus 7x equals 0. Press pause and try to solve this equation by yourself. Again, we have a common factor, x, for both terms of this equation. So we can factor out x from the equation 3x² minus 7x, and now we can divide 3x² by x minus 7x divided by x equals to 7. So the factor form of the equation 3x² minus 7x equals to 0 is x times 3x minus 7 equals to 0. Again, we apply the null factor law that states each factor must be 0. So the first one, x equals 0, and again, this is already our one of the solution. And the second factor, 3x minus 7 equals to 0. Now we have to solve this linear equation. 3x equals 7, x equals 7 over 3. And this one is the solution, the second solution for the equation 3x² minus 7x equals 0. Now let's solve the equation 2x² minus 11x equals 0. Press pause again and try to solve by yourself. Okay, again, we can write 2x² minus 11x as a product of x times 2x minus 11. And this is the factored form of the equation 2x² minus 11x equals to 0. Applying again the new factor law, x1 equals 0. We have already our first solution, or 2x minus 11 equals 0. Solving the linear equation, 2x equals 11, and x2 equals to 11 over 2. So this one is the second solution for the equation 2x² minus 11x equals 0. Okay, in the next video, we are going to solve quadratic equations with all three terms, the complete form of a quadratic equation. See you there.